It's me, Jackson, here. Now I'm in a different setting right now because we're outside, and right now, guess where we're at? We're watching some fireworks from across the street because apparently these guys are watching off some cool fireworks. Come on, focus. Come on, focus, buddy, focus. There might be some big ones coming because, you know, and I hope this one gets a lot of likes because we went with my fireworks on Saturday. But yesterday I had my friend Michael over. Shout out to you, Michael, and Dylan Dolly. Well, we're apparently outside watching the fireworks, but we're gonna save some tomorrow because we have some that we didn't even use from our batch of fireworks. We got Rolling Thunder. Oh, and fireworks place, can you please sponsor me? You know, all that good business. But yeah, I love fireworks so much. Comment down below how much you love fireworks. And if you want to get shouted out on my YouTube channel, say your YouTube channel name, say your name, like your subscription name and all that. Your YouTube channel name, if you have one, it's fine in the comments below if you want to be shouted out. But yeah, right now I need some more videos on my thing because, you know, ow, ran into a flower box, I mean. Look at all these cars going by. Yes, and this is the first video I ever did outside. It might take them a while. It took them ooh, firefly. Here. Oh, hello. It's a firefly. Oh, hello. Firefly, everyone. That's Jackson's how to catch a firefly. Just crawls on you. Leave, little buddy. Bye-bye, little friend. So, yeah. Somebody seems like they're doing fireworks. I mean, you can hear them in the background. They were definitely doing fireworks. I'm not lying. I think they're about to fire off some. Just wait. It takes them a while. Across our yard across the street is a church and another junkyard. Shout out to them. If you guys go to church, go to the one right in front of me. Right there. You see that church? Yeah, right there. Go right there, man. You know what? I don't know if this is gonna... But I never know if this is gonna... They're gonna fire, so we're gonna be here for a little while. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Alright. Leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and all that good biz. They're not gonna light off no more fireworks, but... See ya.